Hello everyone, welcome back to Daiwamika's Coimbatore. I'm JK and today we've got an exciting video lined up for you. If you're in the market for a pre-owned car, you're in the right place. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Alright, let's get started. As many of you already know, Daiwamika's Coimbatore is your trusted source for top quality, pre-owned vehicles in the Coimbatore region. We've been in the business for X years, and our mission has always been to provide you with the best car buying experience possible. Now, you might be wondering, why choose Daiwame Cars Coimbatore? Well, folks, we've got some compelling reasons for you. First and foremost, our inventory is handpicked and thoroughly inspected to ensure you're getting a reliable and well-maintained vehicle. We take pride in offering a wide range of makes and models to suit every budget and preference. Whether you're looking for a compact car for city driving, a spacious SUV for family adventures, or a fuel-efficient sedan for your daily commute, we've got you covered. One of the things that sets us apart is our rigorous inspection process. We leave no stone unturned to ensure that every car on our lot meets our high standards. From in-gun performance to interior condition, safety features to mileage, we scrutinize it all. Our goal is to provide you with peace of mind when you drive off our lot. Now let's talk about financing. We understand that buying a car is a significant investment, and that's why we offer flexible financing options to suit your budget. Whether you prefer a loan with low monthly payments or a shorter term option, our finance team is here to help you find the best solution. So, there you have it, folks. When it comes to finding the perfect pre-owned car in Coimbatore, Daiwame Cars Coimbatore is your go-to destination. With our commitment to quality, excellent customer service, and flexible financing, we're here to make your car buying journey smooth and enjoyable. If you're ready to explore our inventory or have any questions, visit our website at www.daiwamecars.in or drop by our showroom at Daiwam Cars. And remember, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates on the best deals in town. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy driving!